In this video, we will be focusing on how to use slim fry option using Samsung oven. Model in this video is CE1041DSB3. Now we will see how to make potato wedges at home using slim fry option. First I took 250 grams of potatoes, peeled and boiled for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of mirchi powder, and half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of oil. Mix well. Now add little water and mix again. Potato wedges are ready to bake. First we have to preheat the oven for at least 5 minutes. Place the plate in oven and close the door. Now press convection option and select 180 degrees temperature. As default option is already 180 degrees, press select. Now set timer for 5 minutes using arrows. Now press start. Once it is completed, take out the plate. Apply some oil. Place all pieces on the plate. Now place plate inside the oven on higher rack. Now select slim fry option. Relevant code is 2-4. As first number is 1, change it to 2 using upward arrow. And now press select to move the cursor. Now change second number to 4 and press select again. Now we need to choose total approximate food weight that we kept inside the oven. Press upward arrow to move to higher number. Here I am selecting 200 to 250 grams and press start. After 15 minutes, take out the plate and let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Here crispy potato wedges are ready. First we will see how to cook ready-made frozen food using slim fry and power defrost option. Here I have ready-made potato bites and smiles. I took some of them on plate. Here you can see these are completely frozen. It is better to defrost first before using slim fry option. Switch on the oven and place plate on low rack and close the door. Now click on power defrost option and select code. Here there is no specific code for this item, so you can choose any relevant code. I am choosing here 4. Next select power capacity required. You can choose this based on frozen condition. 1000 is highest. Higher the power, more heat will be generated. I am selecting here 625. Now press start. This will take around 8 minutes. Once you hear beep sound, take out the plate. Here you can see food is defrosted. Now it's ready to cook using slim fry option. Apply some oil. Slim fry option is not very similar to air fry. Little oil is required. Now place plate on low rack and close the door. Now select slim fry option. Here relevant code is 1-4. One is already set here as a default. Now press select to move cursor and adjust number to 4 by using arrows and press start. This will take around 14 minutes. Once you hear beep sound, take out the plate. Potato is cooked well. You can try any frozen food this way. Soon I will upload full demo video of this Samsung oven in my channel. Please subscribe for updates.